Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 very simple DIY Valentine's Day gift ideas. Most of the items in this video were from Dollar Tree, except for the spray paint. The first idea are heart pens in a cute pen holder. I got these pretty glitter heart sticks and removed the stick portion of it. Then I super glued the top of the pen to a glitter heart, and that's about it. For the pen holder, I spray painted it pink, and I got the spray paint from Home Depot. Once it dried, I used a permanent marker and drew a cute face on top of it. These heart pens in the pen holder look so cute together. If you gave these heart pens and the pen holder to someone, I bet you they would like it. Well, unless they don't like hearts or cute things. So for the second idea, I created a simple heart sign. I covered a wooden heart with pink spray paint and then wrote words on top of it. You can write any words you want. For the third idea, I covered a mirror with different acrylic paint colors and then covered the top of it with glitter before the paint dried. You can use any acrylic paint color and glitter color you want. So which one of these gift ideas do you like? The first one, second one, or third one? I hope that you like this video, and if you do, please share it with others. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.